Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use Instagram quiz sticker in your Instagram story. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your Instagram app and then come to your profile right here as you can see. And now what you're going to do on your profile is to firstly click on the plus symbol in the top right corner. So click on the plus symbol. And in here, what you're going to do in here is to just click where it says story, as you can see. So click on story. Then we can click on camera in the top left corner and then click where it says create or like a big A and a small a, as you can see. So click right here because then you should be taken to this page, which is great. So now what you're going to do on this page is to click on the sticker symbol in the top middle, as you can see. So just click on the sticker symbol and then you should be taken to this page right here. And now you're just going to choose where it says poll, as you can see. So POLL. So click on poll. And in here, you can just ask, for example, 2 plus 2. You can have alternatives in here, as you can see. You can even have even more alternatives. And basically now when you have actually, as you can see, when you have actually added your quiz, in here you can click where it says your story in the bottom left corner, and then you will be able to post this story to your friends basically, or to anyone on Instagram. And that is basically exactly how to use the Instagram quiz sticker in your Instagram story.